Doesn't hurt, right?
No. Okay, ow. Get ready with me to go to a Bengali dawat for the first time in a long time with my mom and brother. And my brother's gonna be doing my makeup today, which I'm super excited about. He's already done my hair. That's why it looks so freaking good. Put moisturizer on. I used this, I literally can't say shit, so I'm just gonna show y'all.
Plus.
All right.
Okay.
Nice. It's like super glowy.
Okay, cute.
NARS Aruba and NARS Stromboli. That's my tone.
Next, we're going in with the Makeup Evolution Eyebright, but we're using it as contour, and it's in the shade Deep Caramel.
Yeah, I like that. How much is that?
$10.
What? This is so nice.
It's the Rare Beauty blush in shade Joy.
Cute.
The MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smoother Concealer in the shade NC25. And then we use the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer in the shade Medium Warm Golden.
Now we're going to blend.
Our Mercier powder, which is setting her under eyes. Set with, again, MAC Fix Plus.
Cute.
Okay, cute.
As we're using the Etude House. This is like some random brow pencil that my friend put me onto a while ago, but you can get it on Amazon.
Doesn't hurt, right?
No. Okay, ow.
There's
Watering
so
up a
much.
storm.
Okay, Supervision Lash Primer.
Thicker, longer, bolder, volumizing lash primer. Girls, if you don't like to wear fake lashes all the time and you have hooded eyes and don't really have lashes, this is your shit. After the primer set, I curled my lashes one more time.
And now we're going in with the waterproof Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Lash and roll.
Does anyone else's eyes water like inhumane amounts? Like my eye just watered on this side and I completely ruined my base. You guys can't tell because my brother literally just fixed the crap out of it, but the artist for my wedding was saying that if you like, she was like struggling with doing my makeup because I like kept watering.
Oh.
So she was like, if you look up and like breathe in from your nose and breathe out through your mouth,
It'll stop the water. That's good.
for eyeliner, we went in with NYX Professional Eye Pencil in dark brown. Just went in with some black eyeshadow just to darken it up. Good job, Marzu.
And we're pretty much like done. Anything off of your lip? Oh my gosh, just on your lips. Oh my god, you're literally crazy.
The lip combo, we did brown eyeliner, and then we did the NYX Butter Gloss on top, and finished with the infamous Dior lip oil.
Next, we're going in with Urban Decay Space Cowboy. Okay, do you like it?
Yes.
Looks like
Thank you! First time, and 10 out of 10, I have 0 complaints, except for like maybe don't touch people's heads the whole time while you're doing your makeup, but like other than that, great job. Bye guys.